So this is a short video on how you can make a hillshade presentation of your digital elevation model. I have here open a digital elevation model in QGIS, and this is then the default symbolization showing the values then of elevation. The lowest elevation values is about 22 meters above sea level and the highest about 655. So a hillshade is a way to symbolize a digital elevation model, and as always you can just double click on a little square here, and this will open then the layer properties dialog. Make sure the symbology is activated here, and then you will see from the render types hillshade. Just select that one, and you can notice here that a hillshade is dependent on an artificial light source, and this is by default set by altitude 45 degrees and azimuth 350 degrees. This means that the artificial light is in the northwest part of the map. So this is not at all realistic when you are in Norway, when the sun is normally in some southern part of this area. But this is then what is typically used to get the hillshade effect. If you do not use these, or for instance if you use the opposite, putting it down in the southeastern corner, you may have the situation that hill ridges are perceived as valleys and valleys are perceived as hill ridges. Now, I leave this as the default, and I suggest that you do the same also, unless you want to use the hillshade for some analytical purposes, analyzing how the shading effects would be on a particular sun elevation. Click OK, and we see the hillshade like this.